Welcome to WoodWing Scienta. In this guide, we'll explore the preset feature, a valuable tool to save configurations of filters and columns applied to overview pages in Scienta, allowing users to quickly access their preferred settings without having to manually reconfigure filters each time. Every overview page in WoodWing Scienta, such as the table of contents or task management page, includes a filter panel on the left sidebar. This panel allows users to refine their view by applying filters and adjusting columns. If the user frequently uses the same filters and column settings, saving them as a preset is an excellent way to simplify the workflow. To save a preset, start by navigating to any page with a filter panel on the left sidebar. For this guide, I'll use the table of contents page. Once on the page, use the filter panel to apply the desired filter settings. For example, I'll filter the view to show only articles in the Employee Handbook category. I'll then refine the filter further to display only the forms type. You can also adjust the view of the title column by making it wider. This adjustment will also be saved in the preset. Additional filters can also be applied, such as filtering by specific labels in the Labels tab, content with active tasks or change requests, or items with a particular status. Next, configure the columns to display specific data on the overview page. By default, the selected columns list shows the columns included in the default view. To customize, hover over the list options and click the plus button to add a column or the minus button to remove it. Users can also rearrange columns by clicking the six-dot icon next to the column name and dragging it to the preferred position. Once the filters and columns are set, save the preset by clicking the Manage List Presets button at the top of the panel. Select the Save Filters as New Preset option and name the preset. For instance, I'll name this preset HR Forms. Optionally, admins with the Manage Presets role can make the preset available to other users. After saving, users can easily switch between presets by clicking the arrow next to the preset name to display all available options. Important to know that the default preset will have an asterisk symbol next to its name for easy identification. To edit an existing preset, start by opening the overview page configured with the preset that needs to update. Make the necessary adjustments, such as adding a new filter or rearranging columns. When changes are made, a modified tag will appear next to the preset name. To save these changes, click the Manage List Presets button and select the Save Changes to Preset Name option. Alternatively, if the user wishes to undo changes, they can reset the preset to its original settings or the default configuration using the available reset options. To manage all saved presets, click on the Manage List Presets button and choose the Manage Presets option. A pop-up will appear displaying the full list of available presets, along with details such as whether the preset was created by the system or the user and its visibility settings. Hovering over a preset in the list will reveal 3 buttons. The Edit button allows admins to modify the preset name and visibility settings, but this is only available for custom presets created by users. The Set as Default button allows users to designate a preset as the default view for the overview page. Finally, the Remove button lets users delete a custom preset from the filter panel completely. System-generated presets cannot be removed, but will remain accessible for use. By using the preset feature in WoodWing Scienta, users can simplify their daily tasks, reduce repetitive setup efforts, and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching!